Magandang umaga ulit sa inyong lahat. Ang topic po natin ngayong araw is Module 3A, which is Illustrating Geometric Sequence. So, meron tayong dalawang objectives ngayong araw na to. Number 1 is to illustrate geometric sequence. Number 2 is to determine the common ratio in each set of geometric sequence. So, umpisan muna natin sa review part. So, alam naman natin na ang ratio ay isang relationship between two numbers that defines the quantity of the first in comparison to the second. So, example. So, para makuha natin ang ratio, i-divide lang natin ang second number sa kanyang first. So, for example dito, so ang first term is 2 at ang second term ay 8. So, we have to divide by 8 by 2. So, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, the ratio is 4. So, paano makuha yung 4? 4 is obtained by dividing 8 by 2. So, sa mathematical sentence, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 or 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So, ganyan lang siya. So, take note, ay di-divide lang natin yung second sa second by the first. So, kung may third naman yan, third by second. Pag may fourth, fourth is the third. So, ibig sabihin yung kanyang nauna sa kanyang preceding. So, now, sa number 2 naman, 9 divide by negative 3. So, pag magkaiba ang kanyang sign, ibig sabihin, negative ang ating answer. So, the ratio is negative 3. So, negative 3 is obtained by dividing 9 by negative 3. So, in mathematical sentence, 9 divided by negative 3 is equal to negative 3 or 9 divided by negative 3 is equal to negative 3. So, ganun lang. So, ulitin ko, para makuha yung ratio, second divided by first. So, pag may third na yan, third term, third divided by second. Pag may fourth, fourth divided by third sa kanyang nauna. Okay, so dapat consecutive. So, yung magkasunod. Okay. So, remember, a geometric sequence is a sequence in which each term except the first, kasi yung first kasi ay wala namang nauna yung pag-first. So, is obtained by multiplying a constant value R, which is the ratio to the previous term. So, a geometric sequence is also referred to as geometric progression. So, ang ibang tawag sa geometric sequence is geometric progressions. So, each term in the sequence is denoted by a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, ellipses, up to a sub n. Kasi hindi pa natin alam kung ilang term. So, n denotes kung ilan yung ating term. The common ratio R, so yung R, ang tawag natin dyan is common ratio. Kung sa arithmetic sequence, ang constant niyan ay D, which is the common difference. Sa geometric sequence naman ay R, which is the common ratio. So, yan ang tinatawag na common ratio of a geometric sequence is the quotient obtained when a term of the sequence is divided by the term that precedes it. So, ganun lang. So, now, punta tayo sa example. So, we have to identify which of the following is a geometric sequence. So, para malaman natin kung geometric sequence siya, so dapat pare-pareho sila ng kanilang common ratio. So, 20 divided by 10 is 2. Kasi 20 divided by 2, divide lang natin ito sa kanyang nauna. 20 divided by 10 is 2. So, dapat 2 rin ito. 40 divided by 20 is 2. 80 divided by 40 is 2. 160 divided by 80 is 2. So, therefore, ang common ratio niya is 2. So, therefore, this is a geometric sequence. So, geometric sequence ito. Okay? Now, sa number 2, 5 divided by 1 is 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 125 divided by 25 is 5. And 625 divided by 125 is 5. So, ang ratio is equal to, or the common ratio is equal to 5. So therefore, this is also a geometric sequence. Okay, how about letter C? So again, para malaman kung geometric sequence siya, dapat natin ang common ratio. 10 divided by 5 is 2. But 15 divided by 10 is not 2. So hindi siya 2. Kasi ang 15 divided by 10 is 3 over 2. So ibig sabihin, pag hindi na siya magkakapareho ang kanyang ratio, hindi siya geometric sequence. So therefore, this is not a geometric sequence. Okay, how about letter D? Negative 6 divided by negative 8. So that is negative 6 divided by negative 8. Pareho silang negative, so therefore that is the answer is positive. So that is 3 over 4. So dapat ito ay 3/4 din. So negative 4 divided by negative 6. So again, negative and negative is positive. And then in lowest term lang natin, so that is 2/3. So kung napansin natin, they are not the same. So pag hindi sila the same, therefore this is not a geometric sequence. So ganun lang, class. So para ma-identify natin kung geometric sequence siya, dapat alamin natin ang kanyang common ratio. So dapat lahat yan ay pare-pareho ang kanyang ratio. So ang tawag natin doon sa constant na yun ay common ratio. So now let's proceed sa ating let's practice.